Hello everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to calculate the range. So this tutorial is just a continuation of the initial tutorial, and here the range, we have to define the range as being the maximal value minus the maximal variable minus the minimal variable in an ordered series. So this is the range. The range is the maximal variable minus minimal variable in the ordered series. And in the initial tutorial we did, in the initial program we did, we have already found the ordered series. So here we are going to find now the range. So yeah, we are going to come down. This is a continuation of the initial tutorial point we had with the mean inside it, with the median inside it. So we are going to find for the range here. So say range. Now we said that range is defined as the maximal minus the minimal value in the ordered series. This loop was used in order to place the ordered series. So we have already found the ordered series from this loop. So now how do we find the range? So we are going to create a new variable first as a floating variable. So and that variable will be called range. So we are going to create here float. So float here, I'm going to write range. No, I'm going to write range capital R so as to prevent from me having a keyword as being a variable name. So I have it, and then come here and write range, and then I have range here is equals to, I've written with the capital R, range here, so range here is equals to. Now, in order for me to calculate the range, I know that this loop have already converted my initial array, because I had an initial array of a disordered loop placed inside. So now this loop is going to convert this initial array, which is disordered, into an ordered loop by these functions. This loop function are going to convert into an ordered loop. Now the first term will be considered as variable. So variable into 0, and the last term will be variable into n. So my range, we said that range is the maximal variable by the minus the minimal variable minus the minimal variable. Now what happened is that we have already converted this series into an ordered series. This series will be converted into an ordered series. So in the imply that 8 will be the small, it will be the first term, and 13 will be the largest and will be the last term. So we have converted into an ordered series. So in order to calculate the range, we just write the first term. The first term is written as variable into 0. This is the first term. So it's the last term minus first term. Range is last term minus first term. So the last term is variable into n minus 1. It's n minus 1 because we know that arrays in computer programming, this you need to study C programming in order to understand this. It's n minus 1 because arrays start from 0 and not from 1. Since arrays start from 0, the counting will start from 0. This implies that the last term in an array is n minus 1. So this last term will actually correspond to 13 in the equation we've seen above. So you have minus, you have variable, and then after variable you have here, replace here 0. So the 0 here shows that is the first term. So from here now I can come and say printf. I enter in, open, I say the range. So here I have the mean. I write here the range is, place 2 dot here. So what happened is that I'm going to place on another line and 2 lines on itself. Then I tap and tap to align with the others as such. Then I say the range is, I know that the range here, I initialize range up here. This is range as a floating number. So since I initialize range as a floating number, I'm going to place here percentage %f, and I place comma, and I place out the value of range. So this is the value of range, then I come out. So this is the end of the program. Compile, no error is shown to me, then I run. So we have this. Enter the total number of variables. So the total number of variables I want to enter in this case, let's say it's 4. I have the variables I wish to find for the median was 1. So I will change this statement above, because I'm not more trying to find for the median. I will just say here, enter the variable you wish, enter all the variables of your data analysis below. So enter all the variables of your data analysis below. So you have this. So I compile and I run. It shows up. I want to enter 4 variables. Now enter all the variables that you will, the variables of your data analysis below. So this is what I've changed. So now I come and enter 1, I enter 4, 3, and 2. So when I enter, I have the ordered series. You see that ordered series is here. You see that the median is still shown to you as being 2.5, and the range is the first value minus the last value, and you have 3.0. So let's come and visualize for this question. So again, let's say in this question you have this. So I'm going to place 8 here. 8 is the total number. I'm going to place 12, 13, 9, 12. No, I'm going to comma 12, 12, 13, and 9. So the first value is 12, second is 13, the third is 8. So I need to cancel all. Third is 8, the fourth is 9, the fifth is 12, the sixth is 12, the seventh is 13, and the 8th term is 9. So we have all this in series. We have this. So the ordered series is this, and the median is given as 12. Then the range is given as 5. You see that 13 minus 8 gives 5. That's the range. So from here I will say thanks for watching our video, and thanks for your kind attention with the video presented by the SHRTV. Good day, everyone.